Hello friend, welcome back. So we already know we have the reliable communication channel supported by multi-peer connectivity, and we did some investigation about the status or state, some state of our communication. So we saw connected on both sides of the peers. So now we are ready to send data between them. So we already know session is the communication channel, right? So we can use that to send data, and when and where do we trigger the action? This is a good time, right? Drop piece. It means when we touch the game board, right? We can send out the data to the other guy. Okay, so at the end of this one, let's give it a try. Session using this one, right? After the handshaking period, this is ready. So dot send, okay, to peer. It's like that. So here, yeah, there are three parameters. The first one is the data we want to send, and this one to peers will send all the session dot connected peers, all of them. With this one, send data mode dot reliable or unreliable. Yeah, so we use reliable. This is kind of like a TCP based, the socket reliable communication. Now let's focus on the data. So we want to send out, for example, what do we want? What is the protocol? Our application protocol here. How do we tell, right? Notify the other guy, like what we did here, right? What we did here. A single integer is enough, right? Like which column we touched. Is that enough? Yes, right? If we send out the 3, we know it's the middle column. And the other guy, based on that information, right, he can drop, right? If the received data is 3, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, the other guy can put a piece here, drop a piece here. So let's give a try. But integer doesn't have type data, right? So how can we do that? For example, that, right? Data type is data equals, how can we convert this, right? This is the column we want to send. Column, how can we convert that to, like, right, to data? Let's Google it. So I'll pull down this from my big screen, big display. Okay, so Swift, right? It's important to Google, right, to find an answer like this. So easy, the keyword like int to data, right? Something like that. How to convert int to NS data in Swift, something like that. Where is the answer? Data bytes. In contemporary version of Swift, I would do data. Is there a better solution? Swift 5. What? Data. Okay, I don't like any of these answers because they look too complicated. I have another idea. Let's create let's get a string representation of the column first. Okay, so column string, right, equals now, right, this one will change number, for example 3 to like this, a string, right? Now let's see if it's easy to get. Okay, so let's Google that. Swift string to data. String, how to convert a string to data? Okay, this one. Oh, let's try a Stack Overflow. Is there a Stack Overflow? Stack Overflow. Convert string to data. Using string dot data. Okay, using encoding. Okay, that's what we need. So it's colon string dot data using using encoding dot UTF-8. Yeah, so this is what is that? Optional. Okay, so it might fail, right, when we, so this is optional, so we can put here like that. Okay, so now if it's nil, we can ignore it. So let's use like if let. Okay, if that, so we can remove that. It means it's now we can get the data, right? Colon data. Okay, let's use this name, colon data, colon string is like that. So if it's successful, then we can do this, colon data. Okay, core can throw. Okay, but it's normally marked. Let's see. Yeah, the communication can always, right, it's possible to fail for whatever reason. For example, a broken connection between the peers, you can throw, and it is not marked as try. Okay, so let's do the try question mark. Can we do that? Yeah, so it means if it failed, then we just ignore that, right? It's not the big deal because this is just a game. So yeah, we'll try to send out. If we failed, then we don't care. Yeah, but like 99%, okay, 99% based on your network environment. If it's good, then it will be successful. Now, yeah, that's the sending code. Okay, let's now go to the receiving side. Here, session delegate, right, did receive data. Now let's try. So we need to convert the data right back to our string. So how can we do that? Colon string, right, equals data dot to string. No, maybe we can create a string from data like that. Okay, let's see here. Convert a string to extension. No. Data. Is there something like a data dot string? Data dot string. String from data. Oh, this guy, right? We can create a data string from data. This is the data encoding, of course, same encoding, UTF-8, the famous encoding. So today, almost is used everywhere. Yeah, for network communication, encoding. So encoding means we'll encode like a string to binary array, binary string. Okay, and we'll decode from the binary data to the string. Okay, cool. So what is the type of that? Okay, now we need to get back the column from the string. Okay, can we do colon string like that? Value of optional. Yeah, it can fail, right? For example, we can get this to our number, right? But what if this is not string? It's like ABC, right? How can we change ABC, a string, to a number? No way, right? So it means this can fail. When it fails, it will be nil. Or we can still use if that, right? No, value of optional type must be unwrapped. Oh, this is, let's check its data type. Yeah, this one. Oh, okay, so it means this might be nil. Okay, so we can put this one here. If that, then that again. So like we can put them together. If this is not nil, then we'll use it here, okay, to get that. Now when we have that, what can we do? We can drop that, right? We can call this and do that. Okay, now we'll duplicate this. So ideally we'll create a function for that, but for now let's do a quick test here. Okay, now let's give a try. Close this one and stop that. Now let's load both of them. Okay, so let's load this SE first. Okay, so the left simulator first, and we'll stop it, and then we'll load the second one. Is this one, the right one. Okay, so iPhone 12 mini, this guy, you see here, iPhone 12 mini. Now let's run it, and now we launch this app on the SE simulator from the screen here. Okay, advertise, invite invite this guy connected, done. Now try to do this. Oh, it crashes. What happened? Wow. Connected. Okay. This is a very important thing we need to learn. This is pretty new to us, okay? It means here when we receive, oh yeah, must be used for main. Okay, this code, right, is executed in the background communication thread. It's not the UI thread. The UI thread is the main thread, so we needed to put the code. But here we are upgrade the UI. So this is not allowed to upgrade the UI from a non-UI thread. So how can we do that? Must be main thread only. Okay, so let's Google it, right? Swift, right? Wrap code in main thread, something like that. Stack Overflow. Okay, so let's see this one. Command click to show it on independent another tab. 0. Wow. So this DispatchQueue.global global queue define. Is there a simpler one? So async. That's fine. Okay. Let's find an example of this one. Okay. Hopefully we can find a example. Okay, Swift example like that. Oh, back to the main thread. Okay, so this is good, I think. Thank you for what is hacking with Swift. Okay, let's see if we have an example here. Yeah, it's that easy. DispatchQueue.main.async. Okay, so there are so many people, right, sharing the good stuff on the internet. So we can put like this one, DispatchQueue, right? DispatchQueue.main.async code. Is it good enough? So when we receive, right, the data, we upgrade the shadow. Okay, what is that? Board view. Okay, yeah, closure. So we need self dot fix. Okay, because this is a closure. Now let's try it again, and let's move out this one, stop it, and this time let's load this guy first, right? And stop it and go to the other simulator, this one, and run it. Now launch this from screen and advertise, invite, inviting, done, drop. Yes, right, it works. Now let's go to here, drop a yellow one. Oh, it works. Ta-da, ta-da, that's great. Okay, so let's make a commit so you guys can get the latest source code from GitHub repository. Okay, git status. Oh, we only worked on this single file. conn4 view controller. Yes, all our communication code is inside this one. That's not the best design. We'll refactor that in the future. But anyway, it works. Yeah. So git commit. Okay, implement it. Game playing between two MC peers, right? Clean and push. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. See you